The difference between a plant-based and vegan diet. Many people think that a plant-based diet and a vegan diet are the same thing, but they're actually quite different. A plant-based diet is one that focuses on plants as the main source of nutrients. This means that a plant-based diet can include animal products, such as dairy and eggs. A vegan diet, on the other hand, is one that excludes all animal products, including honey, leather, and wool. So, what's the difference between a plant-based and vegan diet? In this article, we'll explore the difference between these two diets and give you some tips on how to make the switch to a plant-based or vegan diet. Section 1. What is a plant-based diet? A plant-based diet is a dietary pattern that includes plants as the main source of nutrients. The main goal of a plant-based diet is to reduce the amount of meat and animal products in your diet. You can also think of a plant-based diet as a health-conscious way of eating that focuses on plants. Many people choose to follow a plant-based diet because it has been linked to a number of health benefits, including lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. A plant-based diet can include animal products, such as dairy and eggs, but it's best to focus on plants when following a plant-based diet. Plant-based foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber and have a low glycemic index, which means they release energy slowly. This helps to control blood sugar and prevent insulin spikes, which can lead to weight gain and a higher risk of disease. Section 2. What is a vegan diet? A vegan diet is a strict dietary pattern that includes only plant-based foods. A vegan diet completely excludes animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Vegans often choose to follow this dietary pattern for ethical reasons. While a plant-based diet can include animal products, a vegan diet excludes all animal products. There are a few different motivations for following a vegan diet. The most common one is avoiding animal products for ethical reasons. Some people choose to follow a vegan diet to reduce their environmental impact. Others choose a vegan diet because they have a medical condition that requires them to limit their intake of certain nutrients found in animal products. If you decide to follow a vegan diet, it's important to make sure that you get all the nutrients you need through plant-based foods. Calcium, iron, zinc, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids are some nutrients that are often found in high amounts in animal products. Section 3. The difference between a plant-based diet and a vegan diet. A plant-based diet is a diet that focuses on plants as the main source of nutrients. A vegan diet is a strict dietary pattern that includes only plant-based foods. A vegan diet completely excludes animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. While a plant-based diet can include animal products, a vegan diet excludes all animal products. When talking about the difference between a plant-based diet and a vegan diet, it's important to note that you can't follow both of these diets at the same time. This is because a plant-based diet can include animal products, while a vegan diet excludes all animal products. Section 4. How to make the switch to a plant-based or vegan diet. If you're interested in making the switch to a plant-based or vegan diet, there are a few steps you can take to get started. First, you'll want to make sure that you're getting all the nutrients you need. This can be a challenge for people following a vegan diet, since many nutrients are found in animal products and are often difficult to find in plant-based foods. Veganhealth.org provides a comprehensive list of nutrients and where you can find them in plant foods. Once you've made sure that you're getting all the nutrients you need, you can start adding more plant-based foods to your diet. While it might seem daunting at first, it doesn't have to be difficult. It's easiest to start by replacing one animal product with a plant-based food each week and then adding new plant-based foods each week. You can also use apps like My Plant-Based Journey to help you plan your meals and stay on track with your diet.